Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you an outfit idea for free for funeral theme in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this makeup style and also this hairstyle. Okay, the crying face, you can choose this one for the funeral theme, and then we're going to wear this jacket. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shoe, this heel, and then we're going to go to this area and wear this skirt, and then I'm going to color it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the top area and wear this top and color it black. Okay, then let's move to the next area. I'm gonna go to the back area and grab this bag. Okay, and let's go to this area and wear this hat and make it black. Okay, just make it all black, and then I'm going to add this flower. Oops, sorry. And then I'm going to make it black as well for the petal and for the inner petal as well. Okay, and the last one, we're going to wear coach item. So I'm gonna go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to wear a necklace from the coach item. Wait. Okay, this necklace. Okay, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress for the funeral theme and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.